Now students, in this row these numbers are given. So in this row 201 is given. So then we have to add row with column. So first this complete row we have to add with 2. Add with 2. So then how? First take 5. 5 here 2 no. So we are going to add with 2 means 2 forward count. 2 here 5. 5 is there no. 5 after 2 numbers we have to count. 6, 7. So we have to write 7. So why we are counting 2? Because here we are going to add with 2. So that is why we add 2. Means we count next 2 numbers. Next 2 numbers after 5. Next, which number here? 2. 2 is adding with 2. Means again we have to count 2 more numbers after this 2. 2, 3, 4. From here 8, more 2 numbers after 8 we have to count 8, 9, 10. Then 3, after 3 we have to count 2 numbers 4, 5. 0 after 2 numbers 0, 1, 2, we will get 2. 4 after 2 numbers 4, 5, 6. 7 after 2 numbers 7, 8, 9. 6 forward 2 forward count 7, 6 after 6, 7, 8. Here 1 after 1 2 more numbers we have to count 1, 2, 3. So we are counting 2, 2, 2, 2 more here. Why? So these all these row numbers we are going to add with 2. So that is why. So we have to count 2 forward count. 2 forward numbers we have to count. 2 forward numbers we have to count. Now, so we are going to add with 0. If any number is going to add with 0, then we will get the same number. This point you have to remember. So whenever the number is adding with 0, then we will get the number itself only. The same number we will get. How? 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 0, 8. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 0, 1. In this way we have to add. Now, all these numbers we have to add with 1. So this sum is this is the sum of this. Like this you have to keep arrows. Okay. Now 5 with 1 means 1 we have to count forward. 1, 5 after 6 will come. After 1, 6. 2 after 1, then 3 will come. 8 after 1. Why? Because 1 here 1 is there. So we have to add with 1. So it means so very next number will come. So when we add with 1, the very next number will come. 8 very next number 9. 3 very next number 4. 0 after 0 1. 4 after 5. 7 after 8. 6 after 6 7. 1 after 1 2. So like this we have to add. So whatever the numbers given in the row, so that numbers we have to add with 2. So the answer we have to keep here. So after that we have to add with 0. That numbers we have to keep here. And again we have to add these row numbers with 1. So that answer we have to write here. Okay. Now students, see here, fill in the addition table. See here how to add. So this complete row we have to add with 1. Means whenever the number is adding with 1, the very next number will come. Okay. If 5 is 5 is added to 1, so then what number will come? Very next number, that is 6. If 10, if we add 1 to this 10, then which number will come? 11 will come. If 99 is there, if 1 is added, then what we will get? We will get 100. The same way. So, this all the numbers are added with 1. So, then which number will come? So, very next number. 1 very next number is 2. 2 very next number is 3. 3 very next number is 4. 4 very next number is 5. These numbers will come. Then after that, if 1 is added with 2, means which number will come? So, after 1 we have to count more 2 numbers in serial. 1, 2, 3. 3 will come. Then 2 plus 2. 2 means 2 forward count. After 2, 3, 4. 4 will come. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means 2 we have to count forward. 3, 4, 5. Here 5. 4, 2 forward count. 4, 5, 6. 6 will come. So, these numbers will come. Next, here. So, this complete, if these complete numbers will added with 2, then which number will come? So, means, so 2 forward, we have to count 2 forward. So, forward numbers 4, 5, 6, 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So, means next 2 numbers we have to count. We have to count and we have to write only 2 numbers. Why? Here plus 2 is given. In the next 4 is given. 4 means after 4 again we serial 4 numbers we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will come. Then 3. 3 means after 3 4 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 will come. Then 2. 2 after 4. 2 after 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1. So again we have to count 4 numbers after this one. After this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will come. Plus 4 means we have to count 4 numbers. 4 numbers. Okay. If plus 3 is there, we have to count plus 3. 3 more numbers after that number. So in that way we have to count. We have to count. Okay. Next here 5. If 1 is added to the number, then what we will get? Very next number we will get. 5 very next number is 6. 6 very next number is 7. 7 very next number is 8. And 1 very next number is 2. These numbers we will get when we add with 1. Now this we are going to add with 3. Means 3 we have to count forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 6, after 6 3 numbers. 7, 8, 9. Then 7, after 7 3 numbers. 8, 9, 10. 1, after 1 3 numbers we have to count. 2, 3, 4. Then after that this complete row, so we have to add with 0. Whenever we have to add with 0, we are going to add with 0, then we will get the same number. So if 0 is there, then we will get the same number. It means 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 1 plus 0 is 1. The same number only, you will get the same number. Okay. Now 5 plus 2 means 2 more. After 5 we have to count 2 numbers in serial. 5, 6, 7. So 7 here. Then here 6. 6 plus 2 means more 2 numbers. 6, 7, 8. Then 7. So after this 7 we have to count 2 numbers in serial. 7, 8, 9. Then 1. 1 after we have to count 2. 1, 2, 3. Now here this box Then how? First we have to complete row. So, this complete row we have to add with 4. So, this complete 1, 0, 2, 4. So, complete these numbers. For these numbers we have to add 4. 4 means next 4 numbers we have to count and write. 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. What is our fourth number after 1? That is 5. 0 plus 4, 0 into any number is the same number itself only. Okay. 2 plus 4 means after 2 we have to count 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 after 3, 4 more numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is over. Next, 1 with 6, 0 with 6, 2 with 6, 3 with 6. So, what we have to do here? We have to add, so 1 more 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 1 6 numbers we have to count. 0 plus 6 is 6 only. 2 plus 6, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 6, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1 plus 3 means after 1, 3 numbers we have to count. 2, 3, 4. 0 plus 3 is 3 only, the same number only. 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then last, 1 with 5. 1 after that 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 plus 5 is 0. 2 plus 5, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3 plus 5, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what is the last one? 8. Okay. So, like this we have to check. So, how many more means, so if 5 is there, so after that we have to count 5 numbers in serial. So, that number we have to write forward counting. So, we have to count forward and write that number. Okay. Now, students, adding 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers we are going to add. So, the next topic is adding 2-digit numbers. Then add the following. 4 questions were given. So, in that we have 2-digit numbers. The first place is called ones place, the second place is called tens place. How many digits we have? 1, 2. The first place is called ones place, the second place is called tens place. How many digits? 1, 2. Here this is ones place and this is tens place. Ones place, tens place. These all are 2-digit numbers. Then how to add when 2-digit numbers are given? See here. We start our addition from ones place. This already we told. So, from where we start? From 4. So, keep here your finger on 4. First ones place, keep your finger on 4. Then 2 is there. It means you have to count 2 forward. 4. After 4, 2 we have to count forward. 5, 6. That you have to write in ones place. Then after that, tens place. Now you keep your finger on 3. So, what is there? The next below that 5 is there. It means after 3 we have to count 5 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. That you have to write below the tens place. In the same way, first we start our addition from ones place. These two are in ones place, 6 and 3. These two are in ones place. So, first we add these 6 and 3. Keep your finger on 6. And what is there below that 6? 3. Means 3 we have to count forward after 6. 7, 8, 9. 9 we have to write in ones place. Then after the tens place we have to add. So in tens place 5 and 4 is there. Keep your finger on 5. Then 4 is there below this 5. Means 4 more numbers we have to count forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 we have to write below in tens place only. In the tens column we have to write 9. Now after that, so again, so we start our addition from ones place. In ones place we have 3, 0. In tens place we have 7 and 2. So you have to write your numbers like this only. Ones place in ones place only, tens in tens only. Now here keep your finger on 3. 3 plus 0. So what is the number below that in ones place? In ones place 3 and 0. So these two we have to add. 3 plus 0. If any number is added with the number, then we will get the number itself only the answer. 3 plus 0 is 3 only. Next we are going to add tens place. What is there in tens place? First here 7 is there. And one more, what is there in tens place? 2. Means 2 we have to count forward after 7. 8, 9. 93. In the same way, here also we start our counting from ones place, ones digit. So, and after that tens digit. Ones digit, what is there in ones place? 3 and 4. These two we have to add. First you keep your finger on 3. Now you add 4 more after 3. After 3 we have to count 4 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 7 we have to write in ones column. Now next hundreds, tens place. In tens place 8 is there and 1 is there. So we have to add 8 and 1. So keep your finger on 8. And what is there? One more number, 1. So you have to add that one. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 you take in tens place. Then 97. So in this way we have to add if 2 digit numbers were given. Okay. Now students, so now it is fun time. Complete the flower. Here in the middle plus 1 is there. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 is given. So we have to add these 2 and write your answer here. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. And to write 1 plus 1, 2. Next 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Again 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So in this way we have to complete the flower. We have to add these two, we have to write our answer here. So in this way completely complete your flower. Okay, add and write your answers. Okay. Yes, now students, add the following. So just before we discuss how to add when 2 digit numbers are given. Ones and tens. Ones and tens places are given. Then how to add we did. So the same pattern. So here all these numbers are ones and tens places are given. So we have to add these 2 digit numbers. Then how to add? We start our addition from ones digit. What is there in ones digit? 3 and 0. These two we have to add. 3 and 0. 3 plus 0. If any number is added with 0, so we will get the same number. Then after that tens places we have to add. So 6 and 2 we have to add. 6 and 2. So keep your finger on 6 and 2 more we have to count after 6. 7, 8. 83. Here we add first ones column, then after that tens column. 6. Keep your finger on 6 and 3. Count 3. 6 after 6 count 3 numbers in serial, means forward counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now tens place. Keep your finger on tens, that is 3 and 4. After 3 you count 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. you will get 7 here. And here, so ones column first, next we add tens column. Keep your finger on here 1 or 8, that is your wish. So it is better you keep your finger on bigger number. Here I want to keep my finger on bigger number. 1 and 8, 8 is a bigger number. 8 plus 1, 9. So here in addends, if you add 1 plus 8 or 8 plus 1, anyhow you will get the same answer only. This thing you keep in your mind, okay. In addends, so whenever the addends order will change, the sum is same only, okay. 1 plus 8, 8 plus 1, the same only. In the beginning, so 5 apples and 3 apples and 2 apples we added, and after that 2 apples and 5 apples, 3 apples we added. We changed our addend order, but the answer only 5 apples will get. So in that same way, if order will change, then your answer never change. So it is better you keep your finger on bigger number and you check the smaller one and count that smaller number, forward counting. So you will get your answer very easily. And here now we add tens column. In tens column we have 4 and 1. You keep your finger on 4 and then you count 1 forward. 4 after 4, 1, then that is 5. Then ones column we have to add. Keep your finger on 4 and plus 1, means 4 after 5. Next, tens column. Keep your finger on 5 and count 1, 5 and after 6. 6 you keep in tens, write in tens column. And here ones column we have to add. 1 and 7, 7 is a bigger number, no? Keep your finger on bigger one. So now you add 1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. And here keep your finger on bigger number, that is 6 in tens column. 6. And after how many? So 2 is there, means 2 we have to count forward. Means 2. 6 after 6, 7, 8. Next, here you keep your finger on 7 in ones place, 7, and after 2 forward count, 7, 8, 9. You keep your finger on 3 or 4, that is your wish. So I want to keep my finger on 3 only. 3, after that we have to count 4 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. So in ones column we have to add ones column first. Keep your finger on 7. 7 is a greater, 7, and 1 add 1. So 7 after 8 will come. After 1, if we add 1, then we will get very next number. Then 3, after that tens column. So keep your finger on 3, and how many numbers we have to count forward? 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1 and 5, in ones column 1 and 5 is there. 5 is a bigger, keep your finger on 5 and count 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Then after that tens column. Tens column, keep your finger on 5, then count more 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 you keep your 9 in tens column. You write your answer in tens column. When you are going to add ones column, so then you should write your answer, your sum in ones column only. If you are going to add tens column, then your sum you have to write in tens column only. Okay, don't write in zigzag way. Exactly you should write below to that column. Exactly means means after that. So that answer you should be in a perfect column. In a perfect column. In that order only you have to write. Okay. Now once 5. 5 after we have to count 2 more. Means 2 forward come. After 5, 6, 7. Then here 4. Keep your finger on 4. Then count more 3 after 4. 3. Here 4 is there, no? 5, 6, 7. Now here 0 plus 7 is 7 only. If 0 is added to any number, the number itself only the answer. So that 7 you have to write in ones column. Next tens column. In tens column 7 plus 1. if 1 is added to any number, the very next number we will get. 7 plus 1, 8 in tens column we have to write. Now here 0 plus 5, if 0 is added to any number, the number itself only the answer, means 5 only our answer. That answer we have to write in ones column. Next 6 plus 2, keep your finger on 6 and count 2 after the 6, 2 forward count. 2 numbers we have to count forward after 6, 7, 8. So these are our answers. How to add when 2-digit numbers are given. More one question is there, only one question is there, that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now students, here given, count on the abacus and fill in the blanks. On abacus we have to count and we have to fill in the boxes. Okay. First here, these are tens, these are ones, tens and ones. How many tens are there and how many ones are there, we have to count first. How many tens are there, how many ones first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits are there in ones. And how many tens are there in tens column? How many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 3. 3 tens, 5 ones. The number will come 35. What is our number? 35. Now, so this is our tens, this is our ones. Now, how many tens, how many ones are there in the ones column? How many bits are there? 1, 2. So, how many bits are there in tens column? 1, 2. Then our number is 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 tens and 2 ones, 22. 22. Now here, so this is tens, this is ones. Then how many bits are there in ones? 1, 2, 3. Then how many tens are there? 1, 2. 2 tens and 3 ones. 2 tens and 3 ones, 23. 23. So, okay, 2 tens and 1. So, here 3 tens is nothing but 30. You have to write here 30. 2 tens, 20. 2 tens, 20. Okay. If 2 tens are there, then 20. If 3 tens are there, 30. If 4 tens are there, 40. If 5 tens are there, 50. So, like that you have to write. Okay. This is our tens, these are ones and tens. How many tens are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. 40 plus 3. 40 plus 3, 43. Then here ones, here tens. How many tens are there here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens means 40 plus how many ones are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 40 plus 5, 45. Then ones, tens. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens, 30. How many ones are there? 1, 2. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. 30 plus 2, 32. Here tens, here ones. How many tens are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens means 40. Then how many ones? 1, 2. 2 ones. Then 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 how much? 42. Okay. In this way on the abacus we have to solve our problems. So one question is left, that one question is your home assignment. Okay.